And the nice thing about Flex is that there's unique offerings in terms of what is available. Unlimited tags, unlimited, clients, unlimited IO, right? You're not bogged down of, these licensing tiers of, okay, I've got a 5,000 historian license and what's the next jump up and how much does that cost? Well, in Flex, you just get one price for an unlimited license, right? And so you can use as much tags as the Viva historian will support, which I think at this day and age is 2 million tags. So it's kind of a nice thing. In addition, there's some unique Flex bundles that kind of are packages of software for a really competitive rate. And here you see kind of like an InTouch, what we call InTouch starter bundle, which will give you access to 5 InTouch clients, whether you use those as standalone thick clients, operator independent workstations, or whether you use it as an RDS architecture, remote desktop services. And it includes things like redundancy on tag servers. It includes a historian. It includes a 5,000 tag AVEVA Reports. It includes development as well. And so for a very competitive rate in terms of the Flex world, right, of 700 credits. Right. Another example is the unlimited, right? Maybe 5 clients is too little or too limiting, and maybe 5,000 tags on the historian is too limiting, right? So this unlimited rate expands that to 100K historian. It includes redundancy as well on the historian, and then as well as unlimited clients supporting an RDS architecture, meaning in that RDS architecture, right? It's the license is unlimited, but really it's whatever the maximum number of clients the operating system can support, and what Microsoft can support. So we're not we've decided we're no longer the limiting factor licensing wise, right? Use as many clients as you need with this license, and when you run out of computing power, right? Then we can talk about getting another license for a different node, right? If you need to. This bundle in particular costs 1,000 credits.